What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-102955-2. The account information is incorrect. So you just stick to it, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side and just stay with me. And here we are at the screen. Look at that, and here we are. Go to just change or switch to the account, or go to the sign in PSN account, or sometimes the address is you are just putting the information. If you are going to get it the wrong information, you must check your information also. And here you check the login settings, PS5 automatically. You just turn it on, and you must restore the license also in the others. And look at that, here we are. And then get back to here to switch, and here you just sign in manually, and you just add your email address and password, and you get the information is not corrected. You just check your you are adding the PSN account is correct or not. If not, then do correct it. And sometimes your server is not working or internet connection is not working. That's why you get this type of this kind of error, So here is everything is working good. You must check the servers also. If not working, then just wait, and after that you just put the information, and you're not going to get these type of error. So I hope to find my video helpful for you. That's how simply you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.